So let's conclude today's training about report functionality with the wrap up. We'll cover some key points and then get you out of here. Okay, let's summarize what we've talked about today. User accounts must have the appropriate roles to access reports. Reports can be viewed in the UI, the user interface, and downloaded in various formats. ODS reports pull data from the CALPADS ODS and process nightly. Snapshot reports reflect snapshot data. They are subject to business rules and fatal impacts. Sensitive report data, such as foster youth, NSLP, or direct certification, require specific user roles in combination with report roles. The use of tools such as Excel or Notepad will help maximize the value of reports. So let's go over some of the resources. All right, we've talked about them throughout this training, gave examples, but just to reiterate, this self-paced training video is located in two places, both in the Bridge LMS as well as on the CSIS training YouTube channel. The CalPads user manual is the best resource for report functionality, as it has the mapping guides and talks about the navigation and step-by-step callouts for the actual functionality. And then you can download this training deck from the FigMet CSIS resources collection. Support. Reviewing reports, maximizing the value of reports is probably one of the more advanced things CalPad users will endeavor. And so with that in mind, the expectation really is for you to ask for assistance when you need it, whether if you need an example or instructions of how to download a report and put it into Excel, filter, sort, whatever have you, right? Contact us using our web form. You see that link for the web form listed at the top of this slide. It's the most direct way to get in touch with us on the service desk. Also, there's other ways to contact support if need be. There's email and a phone number. Just this takes a little bit longer time, right? And then lastly but not least, the FigMet CSIS listserv is the best resource to learn from your peers. It's a direct conversation that you can put into your email inbox. You can establish relationships, and those who are actually doing the same work in your field can shorten your learning curve, because a lot of what you're doing is common for other LEAs. You may have the opportunity to learn from someone more experienced, even outside of your organization. Always, please submit a survey. We greatly appreciate it. And last but not least, thank you for attending today's training. Those of us here at CSIS, and I feel confident in speaking for those at the CDE as well, appreciate your dedication and hard work. This is an arduous task, getting up to speed, being a new user, but it's well worth it for the students of California and those students in your LEA.